Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in Yukos Kitengela, and behind me is an estate of 4 units. This estate is exactly 2 kilometers from Kitengela town, and each of these homes is built on a 50 by 100 lot. These houses are 3-bedroom, master and suite with a plinth area of 145 square meters, and the price is 7.25 million Kenya shillings. Each home comes surrounded by a perimeter wall, and each house comes with a 3-car parking like this one. This home comes with a flower garden on this side that extends to the other side of the kitchen. Next to me, you have the grand entrance of this home, and I admire the beauty that comes with this house. On this other side, you have the front yard that can act as the kids' play area. Let's jump inside. From the main entrance, I like the uniqueness that comes with this home. You have these 2 platforms that are left for your shoes. And on this side, you have this mahogany separation that separates the living room from this hallway. This home comes with the dining area on this side, the kitchen on the far end, and on my right hand side, you have the living room. This room comes with these 5 big windows that makes this living room look very airy, entertain a very natural look. I can't forget to mention the high ceilings that come with this living room. The high ceilings are complemented by a very good lighting system and a very modern center light. On this other side, you have this space that is left for your TV area, and this living room opens to the dining area of this home. The dining area is big enough for a family of 6 to 8 people. The dining area is intentionally designed to come with this door that opens to this extra space. Culturally, this space is left to the man of the house to enjoy his traditional drinks or entertain his age mates, while the rest of the family is inside. This is Kajiado County, the Maasai land, and Maasais are the epitome of African culture. Let's go back inside. From here, I want all of you to follow me to the kitchen of this home. And this kitchen comes with this space that is set aside for your refrigerator. This kitchen comes with this countertop that separates the dining area from the kitchen. The kitchen also comes with these cabinets that can be accessed from the dining area and from the kitchen. The space is big enough to keep your cutlery and your crockery. Next to this cabinet, you have this space that is set aside for your cooking stove, and it is symbolized by this 45 ampere socket. From there, you have this space that is left for your dry foods, and it acts as a pantry. But this is the smallest pantry you have seen in the channel. The kitchen comes with dark granite all over, and next to me you have the sink area. This is a double sink, and it comes next to the window for easy rinsing and washing during the day. The sink comes with this pot for the detergents and a rack for the knives. The kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets, and I'm excited by how these upper cabinets open. Nice. Next to the kitchen, you have this subsection that acts as the laundry area. The space is big for your washer and dryer, and it comes with the 2 sockets down here. These drawers are for your detergents. This door leads to the outside toilet and the clotheslines area. The outside toilet is here, and it comes with a water closet and a tissue holder. This is the clotheslines area. Let's get back inside. From the kitchen, this hallway takes you to the bedroom area. And on my right hand side, you have the primary bedroom, and on the left hand side, you have the 2 kids' bedrooms. But before I show you the kids' bedrooms, I'll show you the shared toilet. This bathroom comes with its washroom here and its shower cubicle on this other side. The washroom comes with a water closet and a tissue holder. In this shower cubicle, you have all the other showering amenities and a towel holder. From here, I'll take you to the first bedroom. This bedroom is big enough for your boys and your girls, and it comes with its window here. The closet comes with a sectioned part, an extra storage up there, and a space for the hangable clothes. Let me take you to the second bedroom. The second bedroom is exactly the same size as the first bedroom, and this bedroom can be used for your girls. The bedroom comes with its window here and its closet on this other side. The closet in this bedroom is exactly the same size as the one that we saw in the first bedroom, and it comes with a similar section here for the hangable clothes, a section here for the foldable clothes or for your shoes, 2 drawers down there, and an extra space up here. Let me take you to the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is the biggest of all the bedrooms in this home, and it comes with a walk-in closet and its bathroom next to it. This room comes with these 2 windows for maximum natural light. This room also comes with intercom and internet ready in case you want to have your entertainment here. Let me take you to the walk-in closet. The walk-in closet comes with this section here and here for your suits or other hangable clothes. The closet comes with 4 drawers down there and an extra storage up here. Behind me, you have an area that is sectioned for the foldable clothes or for the shoes. On this end of the closet, you have a dresser that comes with 2 drawers and a small sectioned part here for the jewelries. Let me show you the primary bathroom. This bathroom comes with a water closet and a wash basin on this other side. The bathroom also comes with a shower cubicle that is big enough for you and your partner. That's all for this bedroom. And that is the end of the tour. If you have enjoyed it and you would like to purchase any of these 4 units, our contacts are in the first comment below. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la, 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 la. Man, I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new